My name Unnikrishnan. I am a marathon runner. I registered for Tata 21 kilometers run. So at that time my doctor visit was also due. So that doctor told me that no, you are not supposed to run anymore in your life. Dr. Aashish was known to me. So I checked with him and he told me to come here. One day I came here and that time that marathon date was nearing last year. So they suggested for me that you go for dream run along with these guys, either doctors. So I done that, and that day I started my regaining programs. So now it is almost 6 months over. That's why the last 2 months back I went for my 10K run along with the Disha madam.
Heartbeats of hope. Together we rise, together we strive. Join us in our mission to save lives, inspire hope, and ensure that no heart beats alone.